Hello guys, my name is Prabh Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality, do follow, business listing backlink, and also you guys can create a image submission backlink and a video submission backlink. So this site is very high authoritative and the best for the business visibility and the brand building as well. So the website name is Work for Good, workforgood.co.uk. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 57, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 39, and the spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see this website having a 12.9k monthly visits and mostly traffic from India, UK, Vietnam, USA, Pakistan, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then a must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button and click on the sign up for businesses. Only click on the sign up for businesses. Okay, and there you can add your business name, and there you can add a register business number. So register business number is this. I have this one. If you are self-employed, then you can check this box, and after you can select how many employees are working with your company, and select your business sector, that mean business category. And after there you can give you the there you can give personal information. So James Bolden phone number, there you can add any phone number. So let me use this, and there you can choose your password. And after you can select any of options from there. So you can choose no, because they are asking for the donation. And there you can add from where do you heard about this website. So you can just add DML training, and there you can select no thank you, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Acknowledge the, then you can verify the captcha, click on the sign up button. After these, this site will send you the activation email, so you can check your Gmail. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So I received a confirmation email, so you can click on this. Then after that, you can click on the activate your account, and you will see our account is activated. Then after that, you can hover to the profile section and click on the dashboard. And the first, you can make it a profile visible. Click on the update profile, and there you can update, add your website logo. Yeah, and if you have a cover image, so you can update your cover image as well. I guess this cover image shouldn't be going to work. So okay, so there you can add your website tagline or subheading. So you can consider to add your main title for your home page or your main keyword. So our main keyword is hire better and faster with AI. So let me use this title, Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform. So Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing software. And there you can add your website URL, and there you can add your business address. So business address is this, And after there you can add your company description. So this is the company description. Let me use this. And there you can add your social channels. So you can only add a username. So this is the Instagram. And you can add. And while adding a YouTube username, you can add, make sure you can add at the read as well. Then after that, you can click on the save all changes. And now I can show you, you can click on you can copy the link and I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So yeah, here it is. You can see this is the company name. And if I can refresh once, why the logo are not visible. So I guess logo are not supporting yet. So what I can do if I can, so okay, so this is the business listing backlink and these are your all social media. If you can click, you can navigate to the directly to the your landing page. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a do follow business listing backlink, and now I can show you how you can create a image submission or a video submission backlink. So let me check here. So why the logo are not visible? Remove the profile. Okay, so I have updated this, and after we'll see. So one for the image submission and video submission, you can click on the photos and the video, and from there you can add photos. So suppose I have a blog, and for this blog, if I can create, so save image, and you can upload your image from there. So you can add multiple images. You can upload multiple images about your businesses. So this is the thing. And if I can do this for this, and while uploading images, then make sure to you can add a image name as well. And from there you can add multiple videos here. So let me copy the video URL. You can open any of your video.
Welcome to job.
Simply you can copy your video URL, and you can paste your video URL here. Then you can click on this, and easily you can embed your videos as well. So now we have added all the things. So I can navigate to the save all changes. So you can click on the save all changes. Then after you can click on the view profile. and you will see image logo are updated and the banner image is also updated. So if I can, so you can see this is these are the images what we have updated, uploaded, and this is a video. So overall, this is the process for on the, this is a process for the backlinking. This is backlink. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.